mechanics on budget. Yeah, so this video, we're putting spacers and muddies on the Tommy. Large spacers now. The
30 mil spacers.
30 mil spacers. They're $100 for two, so we got four. So that's $200. Money well spent. After it's finished, we'll show you. Sick.
Alright, so the first step is obviously to jack the car up and undo your lug nuts and get the wheel off. So
Remember to take the lug nuts off before you jack it up, or else you won't get them undone.
yeah, unless you got someone stepping on the fucking brakes, but this is if you want to do it by yourself.
Alright, then once you got your lug nuts off, you can jack the car up, take the wheel off.
Now, if you're doing it properly, this is a very crucial step. You can either use like a wire brush or some sandpaper, and all you need to do is just clean up your mating surface, so that'll be this here, and do it on the rim as well. Because when this goes to sit on there, if there's like rust or sand or anything, it's not going to when you tighten it up. You won't get the torque specs that you actually need. So we're just going to run some sandpaper. Just getting all that rust off. You will probably want to do this better than I am because you probably actually care about your car. We really don't.
To a certain degree.
Yeah, like if the wheel falls off. Well, oh, I would just, might. So now we've removed majority of the rust.
We just bolt our spacer on.
With a lot of spacers, they don't actually give you extra stud, like the length. You just get the actual spacer itself, but because these are so large, we have to have more stud, and that's what makes them expensive. So, just sits in there.
Nice and flush.
Yep. That movement's normal because, as you can see on our lug nuts, it's got like a taper, and that centers it up. If you guys are putting a spacer in and your original studs protrude past the new spacer, you're going to have to cut them. Otherwise your wheel will not sit flush. But as you can see, ours is sitting inside. So we can just put the lug nuts on. Usually we would recommend putting like a bit of anti-seize or something on the surface that the spacer is going to go on, and the wheel, where the wheel is going to go on the spacer.
But since we don't care, we're not going to do both of them, and we're just going to send it.
Yeah. Also, don't forget to do your fucking star pattern.
Alright, so next we got our muddies. These are just the Commodore wheels with big muddies on them. They're really heavy. Normally you get two people, but I'm really strong.
Oh yeah, right mate.
Now, okay, I'm gonna say, the only reason we brought spacers is because the back is fine. The front wheels, when we put the muddies on, it would hit the spring catcher, sitter, holder piece of shit, and it just wouldn't fit. We were going to cut this, but it just seemed fucking dodgy. So, too dodgy for us.
Yeah, it is.
So we're just gonna...
Yeah, it looks like we're going to be cutting some stuff today as well, boys. Get the one with no tread on it.
Oh yeah, alright. Well, yeah, because it's going in front anyway, isn't it?
Oh yeah, look at that, no tread, boys.
Yeah.
Fuck. Alright, so we've
We've come to a bit of a mechanical failure here.
Yeah, so the wheel still hits the strut. So we're just gonna go fucking put 60 mil spacers, so it's just two 30 mil stuck to fucking together. We're gonna have to order some more, mate.
$200 down the drain, but fucking worth it.
Alright, so we've tightened them. As you can see, our studs stick out a little bit, but lucky for us, we've got these fucking gaps here in the wheel, so fucking I reckon she'll go.
Yeah, it needs to go up.
Alright, so we fucking moved that kind of fender out of the way, jacked it up a little bit more, let's see if it fucking goes.
That's nearly on. It's up now, I think. Yeah. Oh, the jack's in the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll put,
Fucking idiot.
Well, you're the fucking idiot. You put the jack in the way.
Shut up.
Alright, so, attempt number 5, putting this muddy on. Now that some dumb cunt didn't put the jack in the way.
You know what? Fuck you.
What are we stuck on?
Oh, fuck. I reckon we can just grind that down, don't you reckon? Or does it want 120 mil fucking spaces?
Well, we could grind it down.
I mean, like, all we have to do is cut the corner out. We don't even have to. We don't even have to worry about the spring. Just cut
How
the corner.
close is it?
Like,
That's gonna turn. That's gonna hit when we turn.
no, because it turns. I don't know. We'll
It'll
find
hit
it. We'll
that
find
way.
out. Then we'll
It'll-
just chop the whole fucking. We'll just chop from there to there.
Do our viewers want to see 120 mil spaces?
It's gonna hurt the car.
Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. All right, let's go.
It's gonna hurt the fucking car, man. So here we are, bolting the third 30 mil space. That is
Okay.
90 mils, mate.
Just before we bolt it on, hang on. We'll just show you now before we bolt it on. How big 120 mil actually is.
And I think it might happen, mate. It's really gonna destroy the wheel bearing, and it'll probably snap the studs off, and it's gonna hurt the suspension components. But it is worth it, and it will look fucking sick while doing it. So, for the viewers.
No, okay, yeah.
So here we are with the 120 mil spaces. What have we done? What are we doing?
What have we done? What are we gonna do?
You honestly can't get any more mad cunt than us, eh? Hey, it fits, boy. Hey, would you look at that? Remember, star patterns for safety, boys.
Now, this is before, and that is after.
Let the other jack down, okay? The turning angle is going to be insane. Look at the fucking height on that as well, eh? Like, holy shit. And, compared to this side is like low as. And it's just been completely fucking lifted, man.
Yeah, that's definitely like an inch, 2 inch lift.
Holy shit.
That just looks fucking bad.
Go turn the steering wheel, can't see how far you can turn. Yeah, I think, yeah, you're maxing out there.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you mean maxing out?
Like, you're up against what I believe is the chassis.
Really?
Yeah, go the other way. Keep going, you're gonna bend it. Keep going, keep going. This is gonna save us some cutting. Yeah, I think that's gonna do ya. We got a pretty good turning circle. So, well, now you guys know how to put a wheel spacer on. All four on one wheel.
Yeah.
Just
We
look
wouldn't
at.
recommend it, obviously.
Why not? It's wicked, cat.
Because I would recommend cutting the spring instead of putting four on there.
Mm. Next video might even be us taking this thing out for a bash.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the finished product with the spaces in. We got a lot of rubbing going on. We've already cut some shit on this bumper. It's fucking mean with the muddies on. Still yet to be lifted and more shit to cut. So stay tuned with the project. Come onto our channel and fucking watch some other informational videos on how to do shit to cars.
Yeah, remember to like and subscribe to see more whack and dodgy videos of ours. Alright.